LNER service from King's Cross to Edinburgh. No, Edinburgh to King's Cross. It's the Our Planet one. Coming in now is a Thameslink service from King's Cross to Royston. Worked by 700 034.
December to Friday, the 4th of January, engineering works will take place across our network. Before 8:30 on Sunday, the 28th of December, buses will replace trains between Finsbury Park and Covent Garden City. Between the 28th of December and the 2nd of January on 23:30, buses will replace trains between Finsbury Park, Covent Garden City and Stevenage. Between the 27th of December and the 4th of January, buses will replace trains between Royston and Cambridge North. Please allow exit.
Coming in now is a Great Northern service from Moorgate to Stevenage, terminating here. And also stopping is an LNER Zoomer service from King's Cross to Newcastle. Great Northern is worked by 717 202. No, 002, sorry. And the LNER Zoomer service is worked by 801 209. Departing now is the LNER Zoomer service from London King's Cross to Newcastle, booked by 801 209. Departing now is the Thameslink service from Peterborough to King's Cross. That's by 700 010. Coming through now is an LNER Zoomer service from King's Cross to Lincoln Central.
Speak to staff or text the British Transport.
Royston to King's Cross, I think it was 800 310. C79 019 and 020 from Royston to London King's Cross, and a Thameslink service from Royston to London King's Cross. That's stopping and works for 700 001.
Morley, Gatwick Airport, Three
Coming
Bridges,
in now is
Crawley,
Thameslink
Highfield,
service
Littlehaven and Horsham. First class accommodation
to work works by 700 129.
accessible toilets for this train are not in use. Please note, some towards the links at East Croydon are currently out of service.
A pair of 379s from London King's Cross to Royston, and coming in now is an LNER Azuma service from Harrogate to London King's Cross.
On platform 2 is a set down only. Please do not try to board the train on platform 2. Your ticket will not be valid.
So 801111, and there was a Thameslink putting in. Departing now, it's 801111 with the LNER Azuma service from Harrogate to London King's Cross. LNER, King's Cross to Edinburgh. What's about 801136? From King's Cross to Leeds, LNER, and 801111 from Hull to London King's Cross. Passing now is a Thameslink service from Peterborough to Brighton. It's by 700-118. Coming through now is a London Gateway to Lawley Street Freightliner service. Worked by 66597. Coming through now is a Hull train service
This is a security
from
message.
London to Hull. 802301, Amy Johnson.